Hi. What you doing fast, Daddy? What you doing, little guy? What you doing, huh? Look at those little hamburgers. It's a windy one today. How you doing, little guy? How you doing? Are you hungry today? Oh my goodness. Here you go. You're a hungry little guy, huh? How you doing, cutie? Or do you leave him alone? Hi, cutie. You're a good boy. Hi, little guy. Man, he must be hungry. He usually doesn't come up just like this anymore. Also, usually the dogs are on the porch. Want another one? Hi. You're so cute. It's a cool day today, huh? Yeah. Windy. Look how windy it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's good to see you. Yeah, it's good to see you, little guy. Hi. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Oh my goodness. You are hungry. Is that gonna be it? Or is somebody coming? Looks like you're getting down low. Like you're hiding. You okay, little guy? It's okay. You're okay. Hi. Hi. There's no sun to warm up, huh, baby? Did you have a good day hunting? Huh? It's a cool day. Are you cold? Yeah, you're so pretty. Hi. Hi. You're so pretty. It's good to see you. You're okay. Yeah. You just have to warm those up. See you later. There he goes. Oh, how cute. Anyways, till next time, cloudy days, rainy days. Happy trails.